Hi, I'm Nimesh Wickramasinghe. I lead engineering services here at Armature Systems. When we built our managed detection response service, we wanted to take a different approach. We built it based on years of experience being cybersecurity consultants and listening to the pain points of our customers. Some of which were a lot of the MDR providers did not have in-depth knowledge of the tools and applications they used. There were too many false positives and a lot of glorified security alerts. Customers were tired of being told something was wrong. They needed help fixing real issues. Our consulting team here is well versed in solving everything cyber, from network security to endpoint to cloud and of course SecOps. Where we excel is helping customers get more from the tools they own, making sure they're set up and used in a way that actually supports their business. We bring together subject matter expertise around the tools you own with day-to-day security operations, so customers get a service that feels like an actual extension of their team. For example, one of the first things we do with our MDR clients is take a close look at your existing tools. How are they configured? The kind of signals they're generating? How's the data flowing? Because we've got certified engineers and architects across major platforms, we're able to get things tuned properly so our SOC sees the right signals. Once we're getting good data, our SecOps team steps in. Our goal is simple. We want you to stay focused on your business while we take on the heavy lifting with security operations. Our MDR is really built around active remediation. That means when something happens, we don't just alert you and walk away. We try to carry things through to resolution, checking with users, working with admins, doing what's needed on your system so your team doesn't have to. With the right people and some smart automation, we're able to completely resolve about 90% of the alerts. And for the ones we don't, we make sure your team has clear, actionable handoff. We're also tool agnostic. Whatever you already use, endpoint, email, firewall, identity, we integrate with it. We don't force you into using a fixed set of tools. At the end of the day, the way we run things comes down to a simple idea. People, process, and technology all matter. A technology platform alone isn't enough to run good security operations. Having a strong human component with expert people and well-run processes enabled by good tech is what gets you effective security outcomes. And that's where we focus.